Hello everyone, welcome to Survey Payout. It's been a while we did the video on survey. Okay, so first, before this video, I went in to check my IP. For those who are working outside of the United Kingdom, this survey site is also for you, and I'll urge you to use a good proxy to check your proxy status before you go into this survey. Now, I'm connected to the United Kingdom, and these are my status. Okay, so my status is good. My VPN is not detected, and the IP and the proxy time do match. So let me just show you what I mean by that. Here's my IP and my browser time being matched together. Okay, so the app I want to share with you, the survey site, is a popular survey site, but I've not done a video on that one, so that's why I want to do a video now. Now go to my Play Store and install that particular survey app. It is called OnePoll, and for a lot of persons, they may have been earning from OnePoll. Okay, so this site is called OnePoll. So I'm just going to click on the search button and install this app on my phone. Okay, so this is OnePoll, and now I'm going to click on install. Now there are different survey sites here where you can earn money from, but in this video I'm just going to talk about the OnePoll itself. So I'm just going to pause this video and wait for this OnePoll to install before then we can continue. Well, I think we are having a countdown. So for those of you who may have not earned money from online survey, I would like you to watch this video closely and then pay more attention to the things I'm going to do. This video may not be very long. I'm just going to make a review on this particular OnePoll account. I'll tell you the cash out means, and then also I'll tell you the withdrawal threshold. Okay, so if you're also interested in more updates, you can click on the my YouTube description, and then you find my WhatsApp group link. You can join the group link, or you can drop messages on the comment section. I will be there to respond to those messages. Now the OnePoll is installed. Now my voice is not really clear like that. I hope that you can be able to hear me well. So I'm going to click on open. And then now in this aspect, you're going to allow the app while using. You're going to allow this app to send you a notification while you are using the app or whatever thing you are doing, whether you are offline or online. So now you get credits when you answer survey questions, and you also earn points when you refer a friend. You can see here you can earn points while you refer a friend, and the next step you have to take is to click on get started and begin your registration. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so once you are on this interface, what you need to do, if this is your first time, you just have to come to this part where it said you don't have an account, join. But if you already have an account, you can just put in your email address here and then put in the password. So I'm going to click on join now. Remember that it will be mostly effective when you have this app installed on your phone. So let's wait for the next interface to load. Okay, so if you are watching this video to this time, just pay attention to what I'm going to do. I'm going to answer a few questions. Now my proxy is connected to London. Okay, so and if you're a male, you can choose your male. If you're a female, you can click that you're a female. Now where do you live? I live in London, and I'm just going to click start. Now this aspect of survey is your demographic space, where you'll be asked to put in your demographic. So this is my demographic space. Now what is your date of birth? Remember to always put in the month and the day of your birth so that it will be easy while you take survey on the site. So I'm going to use a specific demographic that have worked for me for a very long time on this particular update. Where is it? Okay, 1994. So please, you need to come and check in this box to agree to the terms and privacy. So here, because this is a rough account, I'm just going to put a random first and last name and an email address with a password. But if this is your real account, I'll urge you to put in your real name, your real first and last name. Okay, if you have a paper account, that will be okay. Put in your first and last name on the paper account. So yeah, I'm just going to put in a random name and um and a random email address. Okay, so I'll pause this video and put in my password. Okay, so like I said earlier, that maybe my voice may not be louder because I'm still not very strong. So I'm just going to click on done. Okay, so please, if this is your first time watching my video, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have questions or whatsoever concerns, or maybe you've done OnePoll before, you can share your experience in the comment section, and also join my group to also encourage those who are doing survey as well. Now they've sent in an email to my email address, so I'm just going there to confirm this account. So I'll pause this video while I do that. Okay, so this is the email. Here is the email from OnePoll for me to verify my email. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that one. And hi, hello Kenneth, thank you for signing up to OnePoll. Now I'll just have to either click here to log in, or I'm going to copy this. And then I'll go to my browser and verify my account. So here I am, and I'm just going to paste. I'm not going to paste it here, and verify my account, then I can go on to login and show you the other important things on the site. Now my account is successfully verified, so I'll just have to go back and click on OnePoll. Now here on OnePoll, because I already have a verified account, I'm just going to log in the account here. And then put in a password. Alright, so I've logged in. This is the interface of OnePoll. And here is where you find your tax. Here is where you find your tax. Where is it? So at this point, here you find your tax on OnePoll. Okay. So you find your tax here, and also a quick pool, or you can click on go to service. Alright, so as you can see, I have already 750 points. I need 2,000 points for £20 for me to cash out. Now what I will have to do is, what you need to understand is that the earlier you take this survey serious, whenever you receive a survey like this, the earlier you take it serious and complete the task, which does not last more than 5 minutes, the better for you, because sometimes you may come and then the survey may not be there again. Probably they will tell you that they've reached the amount of people that they need for this particular survey. So let me click on myself, and when you are done, when you have about 2,000 points, okay, you can click on my rewards, and you need to have, like I said, 2,000 points. You need to have 2,000 points for you to claim your £20, okay, and then you can cash it via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also indicate in the comment section, and then I will show you how you can get a PayPal account. So now let's go back to the tax. We have 5 tax here. One is for demograph, the other one is for the work and education, food, lifestyle, and then social, politic, and then you have for medical, each with 20, 20, 20, 20. That is 1, 2. They have 20. This is 40, 60, 80, 1,000 points. Okay, this is 100 points rather. So now, if you start a particular survey, to show you that you've started, and when you finish, you can see the survey that you've finished there. So I'll just have to answer only one. Maybe because of time, I'm not going to answer this survey. But if you have a good demographic, you can proceed to do this OnePoll accounts. Thank you for those who have watched this video to this level. If there be any challenge, you can as well contact me on the comment section, like the video, and also you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp community. Okay, I'll be there to resolve concerns on this particular survey. So I think I'll just take this first demograph. Now I live in London, and then England. Okay. So I'm married and I have two children, and they are just five to within the age of 5 to 10. Now, one good thing about this survey site is that they value children from 0 to 4 years, and also 5 to 10. So maybe I can go with this too, because you have a lot of opportunity receiving surveys with this age range. Now I have pets. I have a dog. I also have a cat. Okay, so which of the following do you celebrate? I celebrate Easter. I celebrate Christmas, New Year, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine, and okay. Which of the following closely describe? So, what is the annual income? 50 to 59. You can as well take 60. Okay. So these are the range where for me I get best surveys. I have a tablet and this. Okay, so I have just one car, and I use petrol for my car, and okay, so I think I have last 2 sets to go. I live in a flat. It's also a rented property, and I've lived in this home for about 10 years. Which of the following best describes you? My current home is the first about okay. When you expect to buy a next house, that will be in the next 3 years. Are you interested in receiving opportunities involving video projects? Now this indicates that they are going to maybe send you surveys that will require you to do a video. Okay, so that one is done. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this length, and I'd like you to continue from this part, and then maybe it could take you like 2 days or 4 days or a week to reach the 2000 points. Okay, sometimes the OnePoll, if you're not careful, they easily can ban your account, but there is no phone number verification, no ID verification. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.